Hello guys, good morning. Here we are at VCCCI Rally 2026 presenting by JK Tires. This is the 26th January. Here are some beautiful cars over here. यहाँ पर ओवरऑल 75 मोटरसाइकिल और 180 cars आई है. You can see the all over here park, and here the whole legacy line was there. Come behind me. This is the line we done yesterday. Some Nitin sir 1947 Cadillac DeSoto Dodge. Beautiful lineup. And this is the car we restored, Audi DKW F8 1938 with the amazing restoration, two-door convertible, one of the finest and rarest car. You can see the relatable car of this Bentley Rolls-Royce. Here are some Maharaja Kashmir Rolls-Royce over there. See, this is the Rolls-Royce, very rare, very unique. Yeah, sir. And here are Minerva Type NN 1990. T-Type, one of the oldest car of show. And this is Bentley. (1936) Elvis two-door. Amazing. The top. Enjoy the cars. Packard convertible. हाँ. You can see the Italian beauty, German beauties, Lamborghini Gallardo, AMG SLS, Ferrari 458, 488 Passat. This is the Ferrari F12, one of my favorite car out there. Mr. Johan Punewala. Jaguar V12, E-Type, Jaguar E-Type. This is the 1958 Mercedes 190 SL. Amazing, beautiful. Maharani of Jaipur. Ford Mustang, Jaguar. One of the prettiest Jaguar I ever seen. Mercedes, Daimler Benz AG, Mr. Gaikwad साहब. Look at the rim over there. Two doors. Very amazing. Maharaja of Patiala Fiat. McLaren 720 Spider. Massive. Yes. And here are Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. Amazing color. Mr. Rohit Atul. ये रिमलेस रहता है ना ओरिजिनल में, क्या रिम रहता है? कौन सा ये रिम?